Hello guys, welcome to my channel. We are reading the book Why Not Me? A Feeling of Millions by Anubhav Agarwal. I already uploaded the 33 chapter of this book. Click on the I button and watch it. This is the second part of the 34th chapter. So let's start. Somehow, I convinced the rickshaw driver to go faster and move forward through the traffic. We soon reached Hazratganj and he stopped the rickshaw. I happily gave him an extra 50 bucks. As I got down, I thought this was the first time I was meeting Zoya. Maybe I should take something for her. Just then I saw a small child passing by selling roses. I bought a rose from him and gave him an extra 20 bucks. Now, the only thing left to do was to look for Zoya. I looked at the market and realized how gigantic it was. Anyone could easily get lost in there. But I remembered that I had to go to Curry Leaf restaurant. So I started asking people for directions and finally found it. The restaurant had two parts, a patio and an interior. I searched through the patio but didn't find Zoya. So I guessed she might be in the indoor sitting area. I tried looking through the windows but the glass was made of reflective material and I couldn't see in. All I could see was my reflection. I had decided to go in and check, but before that, I settled my hair and collar to look as neat as I could. I opened the door and entered the restaurant. I looked at every table, but every face I saw was unknown. Zoya wasn't there, and now looking for her was quite impossible for me because I had no other lead. I kept looking here and there, went through the whole market and checked almost every restaurant. I opened Google Maps and looked for all the top restaurants in the market. But whatever place I went to, she wasn't there. I didn't lose hope. I kept looking. It was almost 6 in the evening now. I didn't know what to do anymore. It was almost nightfall and now it would be even more difficult to look for Zoya. I was tired from searching all afternoon and hadn't even had a proper meal. So I sat down on a bench almost at the end of Hazratganj market. A group of young people was chilling under a tree nearby. It was a really noisy group. Everyone was shouting and cheering. I suddenly looked at them carefully and saw that there were 5 girls and 2 boys. I couldn't see the faces clearly, but the thing with the universe is whatever you want, you eventually found it. Because there she was, Zoya. I could not believe my eyes. I got up and started walking towards that group of people, and as I was walking, the dynamics of the group and the way they were behaving kept changing. One of those 2 guys came away from the rest, stood before Zoya and held her hand. Then he went down on his knee and removed a ring from his pocket. What he did after that was the thing that I couldn't even dream of. I was standing there a short distance from the group, stunned. I couldn't believe my eyes. He asked Zoya the question that I wouldn't have dared to ask, and the moment he asked it, Zoya smiled. The smile that Zoya had on her face was the one that I would have died to see. I looked at that scene with fiery eyes, and then the thing that broke my heart in a million pieces happened. Zoya nodded her head in a yes. The guy got up and hugged Zoya. So this is the second part of the 34th chapter. I will upload the next chapter soon. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you like, then let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.